Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get the chicken ready. So, I'm using these breasts today. Now, all I want to do with these breasts, just trim off this excess fat right here. Let's see if I can get this good in the camera. Here we go. Look at that. Take that off. Look on the side here. See this nice little strap? I'm going to cut that off. That's it, really. If you see anything excess, anything just hanging on there, just cut it off. So I want to do that to all the chickens. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little olive oil on the chicken just to help it, all the seasoning stick. So what I got? I got some extra virgin. This is just some straight up regular olive oil. I'll put a little olive oil on here. There we go. Now, I'm just going to take olive oil that came out and use that. So that's plenty. You just need a little bit. You just need a nice little coating. That's it. That's it. So we're just going to go nice with that. Alright, so now we got our chicken oiled up. Now this is totally optional. You don't have to do this. Or you could always use something different. So today, I am using this Raspberry Chipotle. It's by Olde Thompson. It's good. I used it in the past on some pork chops, and oh man, it turned out really, really, really good. So right now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on nice and heavy. Get a nice, heavy, even coat all over the place. Now this rub is nice. It has some sweet and some heat to it. Nice balance. That's it. That's all we're doing right here. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Alright guys, so we got our chicken all seasoned up. I tried to get all the sides. Try to get a nice even coat. I'm not patting it. I'm not rubbing it. I'm just putting it on top. I'm going to let everything stick with that olive oil we got on there. Right now I'm just going to throw it into a plastic bag. You could use a container, you know, whatever floats your boat. Whatever is best for you. We're just going to throw it in a plastic bag. I'm not going to cook this for a while. It's going to be a couple hours still. So that's good. I got time now. I'm going to put this in the fridge. I'm going to let all these flavors just seep into the meat. It's going to be delicious. Alright guys, we're going to make a nice little glaze for the top of this chicken here. So I got this leftover raspberry pepper jelly. And I'm just going to, that's going to be our base really. So I'm just going to pour this all in. I'm going to put it on high heat for now. I'm going to get everything in there. Leave it at high heat. Once it starts boiling a little bit, I'm going to reduce it. There we go. Alright, so let's see. What are we going to put in? I'm going to do a little vinegar. I'm just eyeing everything. I'm going to link below. I'm going to put in approximation of everything. All right, I'm gonna put a little ketchup in here too. Use a little black pepper. One thing I'm not doing is I'm not going to use any salt. I'm trying to watch my salt intake. Put a little Worcestershire in there. I know this has salt, and that's the only salt I'm trying to add to this. All right, let's see. So we got some apple cider vinegar, some black pepper, some ketchup, we got the jelly. Let's go with a little bit of garlic. I'll do a little bit of garlic. Just a little bit. And that's it. So, what we're going to do is we're going to let this boil. We're going to constantly stir it. Once it's boiling, I'm going to shoot it down to a low heat. I'm just going to let it reduce, and that's it. It's going to be magic. You're going to see that end result. It's going to be beautiful. Now, if you want, You could always add some more heat to this. You could put in some pepper flakes, some paprika, you know, whatever have you. You could always add to it. And you could always make it sweeter. You know, you could throw some brown sugar in, whatever floats your boat. This is what I'm doing today, though. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be putting all the coals on one side. We're going to be cooking indirect with the chicken. You can see how, not sure you got too much sun glare, but the chicken just soaked up that great rub we put on there. That's it. We're just going to put this indirect and let it go, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so our temp's up near 400. They've been on for a little while. I know they're not ready, but I'm just going to probe them. Sorry about the shakiness with this camera here. Alright, so it's up around 100 right now. Now with these chickens, we want to shoot for, this one's a little warmer. We want to shoot for 165. We want it as close to 165 as possible. This way we can achieve ultimate juiciness. Alright guys, so I just checked our chicken about 2 minutes ago. Not even. You can see the temp dropped a little bit. That's alright, it's still good. We got our homemade sauce right here. We're gonna sauce them up. The temp is showing around, they're showing between 155 160 right now. So I'm gonna put sauce on one side. I'm just doing a light coat. I got a nice little glaze on it. That's it. So when you make your homemade sauces, you could definitely keep the leftovers for a little while. I recommend though, before you use it again, when it's coming out of the fridge for the second time, or the first time I should say, heat it up, just in case there's any bacteria that, you know, formed or whatever. Just be on the safe side, heat it up. Then if you want, you can cool it down after, whatever you want to do. Anyway, there we go. We got our chicken. I'm gonna let this go for like 2 minutes, then I'm gonna flip them. Alright guys, so it's been 2 minutes. Oof, they look good. Wow. It smells really good too. Try to scoop these up here. I'm just gonna flip them. That's it. Alright. Oh man, it smells so good. Oof. Alright, so I'm gonna put a sauce the other side. Then by the time this sauce sets, it's gonna be time to pull it. Guys, come on over. I'm cooking these chicken. It's so good. We got this homemade sauce right here. I don't know what more you could ask for. You know what? I'm gonna let you guys see me slice it open. We're gonna get a nice juicy piece of chicken here. It's gonna be so good with the rub and the sauce. This is a home run. Home run. All right, guys, we'll be back. All right, guys. So all our chicken came up to temp nicely. We're gonna cut them open. It smells delicious. Wow, look at this. This looks good. Oh, that was an ugly cut. I'll take the ugly cut. Oof. I don't know if you guys can see this. Hopefully you can. Look how moist that is. Fully cooked, moist. Try this out. Look at that. jeez. Wow, this is so good. Home run. Home run. Guys, go ahead. Click on that next video. Try this out. Hey, leave a comment. Tell me what you think down below. Whoa, this is good. This is a home run. Enjoy, guys.